The goal with this activity is to work on your upper body strength, rotational capabilities, and you're going to loosen up the hips. Here's what you're going to do. Grab a D handle, put it in the low portion in your cable column, and then you're going to grip it so the cable is kind of between the center of your legs like this, because you're going to get just a slightly, like a hip width apart stance right here. You're going to unlock the knees and then push the hips back. I'm going to let the weight pull me like this so I can get a nice stretch into position. From here, I'm going to row. As I do the row, I'm going to exhale. I'm going to pull the weight to my side, making sure the shoulder blade goes backwards. So I use the front of my shoulder on the cue. And then I'm going to supinate the arm. As I do that, I'm going to reach with the opposite side just so I can get a little bit more turn. And then I'm going to go back to the start. Inhale, pronate, exhale like that. I'm making sure the hips stay back throughout. Get it right, you'll feel your upper back working. One more. That's how it's done. Give it a shot.